recall half range Fourier series. Here we have cosine half range Fourier series and sine half range Fourier series. In half range Fourier series, we consider only two intervals. One is 0 comma pi, another one is 0 comma L. Now once again we recall the formulas for half range Fourier series. Half range Fourier series, half range cosine Fourier series in 0 comma pi. That is f of x cosine means we have to find a0 and an. F of x is a0 by 2 plus summation n from 1 to infinity an cos nx, where a0 is 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x into dx. An is 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x into cos nx dx. Next, half range sine Fourier series in 0 comma pi. Half range sine Fourier series means we find only Bn. So f of x is summation n from 1 to infinity Bn sin nx, where Bn is 2 by pi times integral 0 to pi f of x into sin nx dx. So these formulas for half range Fourier cosine series in 0 comma pi, half range Fourier sine series in 0 comma pi. Cosine means we find only a0 and an. Sine means we find only bn. So these are the formulas. Next, half range cosine Fourier series in 0 comma L, arbitrary interval L. F of x is a0 by 2 plus summation n from 1 to infinity an cos n pi x by L, because arbitrary interval cos n pi x by L, where a0 is 2 by L integral 0 to L f of x into dx, and an formula 2 by L integral 0 to L f of x into cos n pi x by L into dx. Next one, half range sine Fourier series in 0 comma L. Here f of x is summation n from 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x by L, where bn is 2 by L integral 0 to L f of x into sin n pi x by L into dx. We recall these formulas: half range Fourier cosine, half range Fourier sine with respect to 0, pi and 0, L. So now we are going to discussing the problems. Obtain half range cosine series of f of x is kx 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to L by 2, k into L minus x L by 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to L. Solution: to first write the Fourier series of f of x, that is, because of cosine series we find a naught and a n, so that is why the f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n from 1 to infinity a n cos n pi x by L. Now we find a naught and a n and substitute here to get the required. Now a naught, formula for finding a naught, that is 2 by L integral 0 to L f of x dx. See, the given function f of x is in 0, L, but here in this particular problem, this 0, L can split into two subintervals, that is 0 to L by 2 for kx, L by 2 to L for k into L minus x. So that is why you write one more step. Here 2 by L outside common, 0 to L by 2. See, 0 to L by 2, the function f of x is kx into dx plus L by 2 to L, the function k into L minus x into dx. A naught is equal to, see, these two integral involves constant term k, so you can take k outside, 2k by L outside common. Integral x dx is x square by 2, 0 to L by 2 plus L minus x L by 2 to L, that is equal to 2k by L. Here inside 1 by 2 common, L square by 4 minus 0, you apply upper limit minus lower limit, plus here integral L dx is Lx, integral x dx is x square by 2, that is, you apply L for x, L into L square, or you write one more step, L minus L by 2 minus 1 by 2 common, here L square minus L square by 4, that is equal to 2k by L common, here L square by 8 plus L square minus L square by 2 minus L square by 2 minus into minus plus L square by 8, L square by 8, that is equal to 2k by L square by 8, here 2L square minus L square by 2, L square by 2, here minus L square by 2 plus L square by 8, that is equal to A naught 2k by L common. Here L square by 2, L square by 2 cancel. 2 times of L square by 8. 2 L square by 8. A naught is equal to 4 2s are 8. So you will get LL cancel. KL by 2 is the required A naught. Next we find AN. AN formula is 2 by L common. Integral 0 to L by 2 kx into cos n pi x by L into dx plus L by 2 to L k into L minus x into cos n pi x by L into dx. Here k common, 2k by L outside. Here in this integral involves two terms, first function x, second function cos n pi x by L. Evaluating this integral, we use Bernoulli's rule of integration by parts. You recall the rule. You write first function and integrating the second function is sin n pi x by L by n pi by L minus derivative of x is 1, integral sign is minus cos n pi x by L divided by n square pi square by L square. You apply the limit 0 to L by 2 for these two terms, plus here also we have two terms are there. You apply rule for evaluating this integral. First function L minus x, second function cos n pi x by L. That is, you write first function, integral of second function sin n pi x by L by n pi by L minus derivative of L minus x is minus 1, integral of sin is minus cos n pi x by L divided by n square pi square by L square. Next term will be 0 because derivative of minus 1 is 0. You apply limit L by 2 to L. AN is equal to, here 2k by L common, n pi by L you can take upward, that is L by n pi common. You write this step for convenient to apply the limits. Sin n pi x by L 0 to L by 2, 0 to L by 2. Here minus into minus plus, L square by n square pi square common, cos n pi x by L 0 to L by 2, plus inside L by n pi common, L minus x sin n pi x by L, L by 2 to L, L by 2 to L, minus plus into minus minus, L square by n square pi square cos n pi x by L, L by 2 to L. Next step, AN is 2k by L common, L by n pi inside common. You apply L by 2 and 0 for x, that is L by 2 sin n pi. You apply L by 2, LL cancel, n pi by 2 minus apply 0 for x 0 plus L square by n square pi square. You apply L by 2 and 0 for x, cos n pi by 2 minus cos 0 is 1 plus L by n pi common. You apply L and L by 2 for x. See, first you apply L for x. L minus L is 0 minus you apply L by 2 for x. L minus L by 2 is L by 2. L by 2 into sin L by 2 sin n pi by 2. N sin pi by 2. Next, L square by n square pi square cos n pi minus cos n pi by 2. An is here L cancel, 2 cancel, KL by n pi common, 2 cancel, LL cancel, KL by n pi, sin n pi by 2 plus here multiply this LL cancel, 2KL by n square pi square cos n pi by 2 minus 1. Here plus into minus minus L into L square, L square LL cancel, 2KL by n pi sin n pi by 2 minus multiply this LL cancel, 2k L by n square pi square minus 1 power n minus cos n pi by 2. Cos n pi by 2. Here these two terms are cancelled, here plus and minus. An here 2kl by n square pi square common from these two terms, that is here minus into minus plus 2 cos n pi by 2 minus 1 minus of minus 1 power n is the required An. So we construct f of x. A0 is KL by 2, A0 by 2 is KL by 4 plus summation n from 1 to infinity. An is 2KL by n square pi square, 2 times cos n pi by 2 minus 1 minus of minus 1 power n into cos n pi x by L is the required half range cosine series for the given function. Next, we go for finding another problem. Obtain the sine half range Fourier series of f of x is equal to 2kx by L for 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to L by 2, 2k by L into L minus x in L by 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to L. So important type of problems from this unit. Solution: you first write Fourier series of f of range sine Fourier series of f of x. You know, sine means we find only bn, n from 1 to infinity, bn sine n pi x by L is the required Fourier half range sine series. We find only Bn. Bn formula is 2 by L common. Here 0 to L can split into this two interval. Integral 0 to L by 2 2k x by L into sine n pi x by L into dx plus L by 2 to L 2k by L into L minus x sine n pi x by L into dx that is, see, these two integral function involves the common constant is 2k by L. Here also 2k by L you can take outside. So 2 into 2k by L is 4k by L square common. 4k L square common. Integral 0 to L by 2 x sine n pi x by L into dx L by 2 to L minus x sine n pi x by L into dx. For convenient integration we have to write like this. Bn is 4k by L outside common. Here two functions. Evaluating integral, you apply Bernoulli's rule of integration by parts. Means we write first, see, every problem we apply the rule. You first write the first function integrating the second function minus, next differentiate the previous one integrating the previous, continue, minus plus minus till you will get the constant term, derivative of constant term is 0, you can stop. So this is the process of integration by parts. I explained in Fourier series 1. X minus cos n pi x by L by n pi by L minus 1 minus sine n pi x by L n square pi square by L square. Next term will be 0, derivative of 1 is 0. So this is the process, right? You apply 0 to L by 2 plus again apply Bernoulli's rule of integration by parts, because here two integral functions are there. L minus x minus cos n pi x by L n pi by L minus derivative of L minus x is minus 1. Integral of cos is sine n pi x by L by n square pi square by L square. Here also next term will be 0 because derivative of minus 1 is 0. L by 2 to L. Next step, Bn is 4k by L outside common, inside minus L by n pi common, x cos n pi x by L. See, for convenient to apply the limits, you should take common constant terms like minus L by n pi. Easy to apply the limits. So you should write this step. You apply 0 to L by 2. Next minus into minus plus. L square by n square pi square common, sine n pi x by L 0 to L by 2 plus minus L by n pi common, L minus x cos n pi x by L by 2 to L, minus into minus plus into minus minus, L square by n square pi square common, sin n pi x by L by 2 to L. Bn is 4k by L common minus L by n pi. You apply L by 2 for x, L by 2 cos n pi by 2 minus you apply 0 0 plus L square by n square pi square sin n pi. You apply L by 2 for x, LL cancel, sin n pi by 2. You apply 0 0 minus L by n pi. Here common. You apply L for x, L minus L is 0 into anything is 0 minus you apply L by 2 for x, L minus L by 2 is L by 2 into cos n pi by 2 minus L square by n square pi square common here. You apply L sin n pi minus sin n pi by 2. Bn is, see here 2 2s are LL cancel minus k L minus 2kL by n pi common, got it? From this cos n pi by 2. Next multiply this plus LL cancel 4kL by n square pi square sin n pi by 2 minus into minus plus you apply LL cancel 2 2 cancel 2k LL cancel. You apply multiply this term because this outside is in outside. 2 2s are LL cancel, L into L square L by n pi minus into minus plus cos n pi by 2 minus multiply this 4k L cancel L by n square pi square sin n pi is 0 minus sin n pi by 2. You write one more step, minus 2kL by n pi cos n pi by 2 plus 4kL by n square pi square sin n pi by 2 plus 2kL by n pi cos n pi by 2 minus into minus plus 4kL by n square pi square into sin n pi by 2. Here these two terms cancel, it leaves only this. These two terms are same, that means 2 times of that is 2 into 2 times of 4 is 8k L by n square pi square sin n pi by 2 is the required Bn. So you construct Fourier half range sine series f of x summation n from 1 to infinity. Bn is 8kL by n square pi square sin n pi by 2 into sin n pi x by L is the required series. Next problem. Obtain the sine half range Fourier series of f of x is equal to 1 by 4 minus x in 0 less than x less than 1 by 2, x minus 3 by 4 in 1 by 2 less than x less than 1. Solution. See, this given function is in 0 comma 1, means where L is 1, that 0 comma 1 can split into sub interval for these two functions. You first write f of x. We find sine of range means we find only bn. Using bn to Fourier series of range sine f of x is bn sine n pi x by L is 1. Bn formula 2 by L is 1, 0 to 1, f of x into sine n pi x, but 0 to 1 split into these two, that is why you write 2 outside common. 0 to 1 by 2 for 1 by 4 minus x into sine n pi x dx, 1 by 2 to 1, x minus 3 by 4 sine n pi x dx. Bn equal to, outside 2 common, here two functions are there, first function, second function. So apply Bernoulli's rule for evaluating this interval and again integrating this, that is 1 by 4 minus x minus cos n pi x by n pi, minus derivative of this is minus sine n pi x by n square pi square. Next term will be 0, 0 to 1 by 2, plus x minus 3 by 4 minus cos n pi x by n pi, minus 1, derivative of this is 1, minus sine n pi x by n square pi square. Next term will be 0, 1 by 2 to 1. Next step, Bn is outside 2 common, minus 1 by n pi inside common, 1 by 4 minus x cos n pi x, 0 to 1 by 2, minus into minus, plus into minus, minus 1 by n square pi square common, sin n pi x 0 to 1 by 2, plus minus 1 by n pi common, x minus 3 by 4 into cos n pi x 1 by 2 to 1, minus into minus, plus 1 by n square pi square sin n pi x 1 by 2 to 1. Bn is n pi common. You apply 1 by 2 for x. You know 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. See, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 is minus 1 by 4 cos n pi by 2 minus, apply 0, 1 by 4 cos 0 1 minus 1 by n square pi square common sin n pi by 2 minus 0, plus into minus minus, you apply 1, 4 minus 3 is 1 by 4 cos n pi, minus you apply 1 by 2 for x, that is minus minus 1 minus 1 here you apply 1 by 4, you apply 1 by 2 for x, minus 1 cos n pi by 2 plus 1 by n square pi square, apply 1 sin n pi minus sin n pi by 2. Bn is here minus 2 by n pi common, here 4 common, minus into minus plus cos n pi by 2 minus 1 by 2 n pi, here 2 2s are 2, you multiply 2, 1 by 2 minus, here n pi is common for this, so that is why minus into minus plus 1 by 2 n pi minus 1 by 2 by, here 2 multiply 2 to here, n square pi square sin n pi by 2 next multiply 2 minus 2 by n pi, here 4 common, minus 1 power n cos n pi is minus 1, minus into minus plus minus, inside minus into minus plus cos n pi by 2 plus 1 by n square pi square common, sin n pi is 0, sin n pi by 2, multiply 2 to this, that is 2 by, next Bn is Bn is 1 by 2n pi cos n pi by 2 plus 1 by 2n pi 1 by 2n pi minus 2 by n square pi square common, sin n pi by 2 minus 2 by 2 2s are 1 by n pi by 2 minus 1 power n plus cos n pi by 2 minus 2 by n square pi square common, sin n pi by 2. Here these two terms are same, minus you write one more step, otherwise you can stop up to this to get the required Pn, no problem. 1 by 2n pi cos n pi by 2 plus 1 by 2n pi minus 4 for these two terms by n square pi square sin n pi by 2 minus 2n pi common plus cos n pi by 2. Can write one more step. Here 2n pi common from these three terms. 1 by 2n pi common cos n pi by 2 plus 1 minus 1 plus cos n pi by 2 minus 4 by n square pi square sin n pi by 2 is common. Can write one more step. Here this is the 2 times of that. Otherwise you can stop up to this. You construct f of x using bn. Bn term is this. Bn is 2n pi 2 cos n pi by 2 plus 1 minus of minus 1 power n minus 4 by n square pi square sin n pi by 2 into sin n pi x by L is 1. So this is the required series.